Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I'm getting some filtered water. I have a container that I'm going to put part water in. My yummy filtered water. Then I got an extra strainer. I'll set this water down here, and the sink, the side of the sink is clean. Then I'm going to pour my mixture that I have in, because I know it's a lot of pulp. Ooh, it's slimy too, y'all. Ew. Cactus is slimy, but the water is going to help it unslime, y'all. That's what I'm trying to get out. I can't get it out. But this is what it's looking like. So this is part 2, if you didn't know. And I'm straining the cactus, cucumber, celery, lemon, and ginger. What I'm thinking, I'm supposed to pour this into the water mixture and then strain it, so that's why I'm not getting anywhere, y'all. Should never be trying to make no video about no recipe, nothing up in the night, y'all, because it's more than a notion. So yeah, I haven't made this drink in years, so yeah, that's part of the issue right here. But it helps with your high blood pressure, high blood sugar. I'll let you see what it looks like in there. I don't like the way it's mixing up, so I'm going to put some more water with it and strain it, y'all. I have another container that I can strain this with. Makes enough though. When you put the water with it, it stretches. It makes plenty. Yeah, it's thinning out a bit, y'all. Of course, I'll have to shake it if I have any left in the morning, which I will. To shake it so it won't because it'll settle while it's sitting in the refrigerator. I'm gonna rinse this container out. I have a lot of these nice containers because I drink usually in the morning, not every morning, Premier Protein shakes in the morning, and they come with these really nice containers. Once you're done, you can store all kind of art supplies, pencils, brushes, and pens and stuff. That's what I do, markers. Strainer. I need another strainer, y'all, too. The strainer I got is not the business. Not the lickety split. That's better. It'll be up so close, too. Let's see if it strains any better with the water in it, y'all. And I will sweeten this with monk fruit sugar after it's all said and done. Because if you drink it like this, it's super bitter. Some people don't mind bitterness, but I don't care for bitterness. I don't like bitter drink. It's just absolutely nasty. So it's draining, y'all, for the most part. This is a fine mesh strainer. But this is a very long process, so I'm going to bid you all an adieu. And I'm going to wash these dishes up and stuff, and I'll let you know how my blood sugar is in the morning, because I'm going to drink some of this before I go to sleep. So with that being said, catch part 1 and you will see the recipe and what it's for. Well, I'll tell you what it's for. It's for high blood pressure and high blood sugar, so it really helps. I was taking it years ago, and Gigi reminded me that I was, you know that drink you used to make? Yeah. So here I am making it. But y'all ain't gonna need to sit here and watch me strain this. It's gonna be a long time, so I'm gonna let it strain itself, and then I'm gonna be out of here. So I'll see you all later, and I'll let you know tomorrow. See you on the flip side. Peace.